we are having something new and exciting coming up. Do you want to tell us about our sacred poses?
Yes. So there's something that I do for my clients called a sacred pause, and I love it because I think it's really useful to support us in getting familiar with recognizing that it's okay and it's safe to just pause life, to come back, pull yourself back to yourself, your energies, to quiet the mind and everything like that, and reset. And that resetting we can use to transition into another thing that we're doing. We can reset to get more grounded in our own selves, to maybe be able to make a decision or move forward with something instead of being really in the head. And one of the things that I've really gotten in living in Mexico is that whenever I go back to the States, I can it's so potent, the difference in the how much we're in our heads, in that, especially in American society. And so for me, this sacred pause is beneficial for that aspect. And the way that I want to do it is the way that I do it, and the way that we'll be doing it. It's going to be every Wednesday at 11:30 Central Time, so that's 12:30 Eastern Time, and what is that? 9:30 Pacific Time, and it's about 15 to 20 minutes long. So what we do is we first come in, and sometimes I may get you into your body physically by some kind of movement, like a more yin kind of stretching. Just maybe you've been sitting at your desk, maybe it's been a long morning, whatever it is, we might get in the body, or we might just take a seat and get into our breath. So I want to drop you into your body first. Why? Because it's getting into that physical body to go, okay, I've been in my head, I've been go. Let me come back into my body. So we come into the body through breath or movement. Then when we do that, we sit or we lie down and we go into lecture. And so at this point, you've slowed things down, you start to slow down your brain waves, you started to get a little bit more still, and now your aperture to take in information is going to be more available to you. So in that, right, so you can either sit or lie down, and I suggest and recommend putting on some kind of eye mask or something to cover your eyes as you're listening. And I will go into a brief lecture about something. It could be something in my own personal life, or there's a challenge point or anything like that I'm going through. It could be something that I just experienced with one of my clients, but I'll speak about it. And my intention is for you to listen to the story as if you were watching it from a bird's eye view through my story, that you see yourself and what's reflective in your own life. So you can, from this open state, perhaps see it from a new point of view. And right, of course, a miracle says a miracle is a shift of perspective. So that one shift of perspective can be an aha moment for you. It can be when the penny drops. It can be a new idea. It could just be that pause just gives you this space to be able to move forward and take a different action. And ultimately, what I want to support you to do also is that, again, just going back to, it's safe to take a pause. It's safe to rest. It's safe to be still. All of the other things, the to-do list, the questions, the unknowns, all of that will be there in 15 or 20 minutes. But if you can just show yourself that you get to give yourself that time, and how actually you may notice you feel more light, more relief, more fulfilled, more calm, more grounded, wouldn't it be worth it? So Wednesdays, every week, live YouTube, 11:30 Central Time, 12:30 Eastern Time, 9:30 Pacific Time. Join us. It's going to be great. Bring your eye fold, your eye mask to come with, and just comfortable clothing if you can. In case we go into movement, it will be very minimal, and it'll be great.
Yay, that sounds amazing. When is the first one?
So the first one, oh yeah, that's a great question, is this Wednesday, and what is that, the 26th, I want to say, or 27th? 27th of August. Yeah. 27th.
Amazing. On YouTube.
On YouTube. Mm-hmm.
Wonderful. Okay,
Yes.
we are excited for it.
Yes,
Wonderful.
me too. And if you guys have any questions, just feel free to message me and ask me any questions, and I'll get right back to you.
Yes.